That's crazy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you don't know, I'm your boy Fatkat. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Man, so today we are on the way. First of all, we are in the car that I rented. If you didn't watch my other video, you go watch that when I went to go pick up this car. It is a BMW 430i convertible at that. So, but right now we are on the destination, on the way to my destination, which is basically my work place for the week. Again, for those that don't know, who haven't watched my previous videos, I do travel for my day job. So therefore,
prepare to bear right.
Oh, let me make sure I go this way. So therefore, they, anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so therefore, I make, I gotta make sure that I usually I fly if it's more than 2-3 hours away. Sorry about the GPS, but usually if it's more than 2-3 hours away, I fly. But in this case, it's only about 2 hours away, so I get to go down to my local airport, rent a vehicle, and pretty much go down. Anyway, so in this case, I am going to head down to Cocoa Beach. So I got about another 45 minutes to get there. But I decided to go ahead and start a video real quick, man, because I am, like I said, I'm on the way over there right now. So I am on the highway, kind of like the, it's not a highway, it's like the Expressway, I don't know, intercoastal way or something like that. Anyway, between Orlando and Cocoa. But I ran into a group of slingshots, man, and there's one particular slingshot. I don't even know if it's a slingshot. It's like a hybrid or something. He feel like he put this thing together. But this thing is crazy cool, man. Like I think I would enjoy riding this. Let me show you guys, man. Hey, here goes. I'm gonna pass by the rest of these slingshots, and then I'm going to show you that one as well. So check it out, man. That's crazy. You got a fat tire on there and everything. That's dope. Vanderhall. That's dope. That's crazy. It had Vanderhall on the side of it. I don't know what that means. I have to look that up later. But yeah, here goes the first one here. Yeah, man, but those things are crazy cool, man. I don't know where he got that from or how he put that together, but that thing is nice.
In half a mile, take exit 42A for I-95 south toward Miami.
Yeah, that thing was super nice, man. I don't know where he got that from or what, or how he put that thing together, man, but that thing was super dope.
In the strip zone, satellite this, 50 years with the Knicks on. Every day is real in my life. You live a sitcom, real dogs, busting out this hustling game with the name. See it in lights, bitch, get it right. Scorsese, Capo, Black Mercedes, Miami is back with the crack, the late 80s, brown tens and thousands. Now we on to
$2 just for opening the door. Soulside give the bartender $200 just for keeping the ice cold. Yeah, we were legends. Yeah, and we still are legends.
200 fallen angels, gold, Panamanian chains dangle, let's tangle, tabernacle, Elohim's coming at home, transform from light storms, phones, select ice warm, nice long reptilians. I see y'all in the next millennium. What world are we really in? Amphibians, move to the Caribbeans. On the world, just like a comet. See, I like Esco. He knew everybody.
You will reach your destination in 1/4 of a mile. Your destination is on the right.
But hey,
Die for this firm, live for this firm. Niggas learn, nothing should come before your band. From keys to quartergrams, these on paper. What a sweet sight for sour eyes. May we all ride. Hope from now on we never cross sides.
You know what? Most hoes would have left these cats a long time ago. I mean, if your man gave you a gun to hide, what would y'all hoes do? But you know, the shit kinda turned me on. Black Madonna, hoes killed for they pop hoes. Ever seen a bitch like this? When you need, bitch, you had my pussy bleed. Swear for, fucking take a chair for 'em. Whoever dare cross us, distorts the thoughts across a bitch mind. Pops the nine, leave 'em resting in pieces. All my thorough bitches peepers. Death before dishonor. School me on a thick game, place me in Cabana. Peep that, think I'm flipping on these three cats? Set your clown ass son form. Long dick style, swallow the enemies, come form. Pretty asshole, bitch you fuck 'em then I dumb on 'em. When I pop the Chris, Fox cocks the fifth. Make my dough up for OZs and hoes that strip.
Alright, man, so we finally made it to the hotel. And I don't know, this is not a good sign, man. Look at this. Pulling into the hotel and this is what we got. Man, I don't think that's a good sign. Whoever it is, hopefully they're alright, but it's not what you want to see when you pull into your hotel. Ambulances and police cars. So, alright, so let's go check in and see what we got. See you guys when we get in the room. Alright guys, oh, let that focus in a little bit. There you go. Alright guys, man, appreciate you guys checking in again for the video, man. This is gonna be the end of this video. I know it was a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys those slingshots that were rolling through, and then especially that one slingshot that was crazy, like kind of put together. It was weird, but like I said, it was pretty dope. I'm gonna have to look up that whatever it said on the side, like the model or whatever, but yeah, man, it was pretty dope. But anyway, appreciate you guys checking out this video, man. Of course, actually before that, let me show you around the room a little bit. Like I said, this is a courtyard. It's not too bad. Got my, see, I got my little Nike slides down there, of course. My Tommy bag that I always travel with. You can see that. Oh, you can see that. My Tommy bag that I always travel with. Make it easy, carry on no matter where I go. Even though this time I drove, but you know, it still makes it easier. Got my nice little porch balcony. Could have got a better view of the area, but hey, can't complain, man. See, I got some trees and some, well, I guess where people do fires or whatever down there. I could see that they sit around the little fire. But yeah, other than that, man, I don't really see. I think the beach is on the other side. I don't know where it's at, but they could have gave me that. Oh yeah, I think it is on. It's on that side over there. Oh well. Nonetheless, they got a little patio area. Not too shabby. Walk back in. So you got the desk, as always. I could roll this out. So obviously I'll be putting my stuff there, my computer or whatever, so I can start editing later. TV. It could have been a bigger TV, but oh well. They gave me 2 beds this time. Usually they only give me that 1 king size bed, but it's cool. I'll take the 2. I'm not usually too picky about that. Bathroom area, you got the little sink area by itself, and the toilet area, of course, and then the shower. Whatever. Nothing too good, nothing, you know, nothing too spectacular, but not bad. And I mean, this is a big ass room, to be honest. It's a huge room, so it's crazy. But anyway, with that being said, man, again, appreciate you guys for checking in. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you like the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for sure. And then on top of that, hit that notification bell so you guys can see anytime I put out videos. Like I said, I'm going to be reviewing that 4 series here pretty soon. And like I said, I'm trying to hook up with a couple other friends that I got in the area. Try to hit up some of their cars and all that as well, man. So stay tuned for all of that. Again, make sure you guys do all those things. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with your friends and family. Try to continue to grow this channel. You know, try to do bigger and better things, man. Other than that, man, we catch you guys on the next one, man. Later.